This video I'm going to show you how to make a table of contents in Droip like this. So it will change the active color and the active state of the border as you scroll through the website, and it's also clickable. So let's see how we have created this. So as you can see, I have already created the structure. So here's my blog description and here's my table of contents block. So for this we have a script here, so you will be needing the script for this type of table of contents. So we have created some custom attribute to connect with this code. So here in the blog description we have created the custom attribute named which is equals to text. You have to add the exact custom attribute here. So we have set some custom attributes to other elements, and in the TOC headings it's very important. So we have set an ID for this which is TOC. So under this TOC ID the headings will be dynamically generated from this rich text. So right now we have 3 headings, as you can see, which has the TOC is equals to link. All 3 headings has the same exact custom attribute. Only difference is in the active heading we have added an extra class which is TOC active, which we don't have in the others. So I have kept 3 headings for the design purposes. It's not mandatory. You can create multiples, but it won't affect the design. So we have 3 headings, and in the text we have also set a custom attribute TOC is equals to text. So the same thing applies for the divider. In the full divider I have set a custom attribute named TOC is equals to divider wrapper. Inside we have 3 links which has a custom attribute named TOC is equals to divider. Remember, you have to add the exact same custom attribute here and the ID in the TOC headings, because it's all added in the code. You can change it later, you can change in the code and change in here also. So in the divider we have a class. The class name is not important. Which is important is the active divider combo class, which is TOC active divider. So I have kept the TOC active divider here just for the design. We can change the active class to black. We can change the active heading color to something blue. We also can change the font size. Let's make it bold, and let's make the normal heading 26 pixel regular. Let's see how it goes. So let's reload this. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. So that's all for today.